What's up guys, Trader Neil here, back at you with another crypto video. And before I even get started guys, congratulations, Bitcoin has hit a new all-time high on election day here in the States. We have broken through our previous all-time high here of $73,000, and Bitcoin is currently sitting at almost $75,000 at current price. So congratulations guys, Bitcoin is on a tear, and I'm going to be talking about where I see Bitcoin potentially going next, where I potentially see lower time frame trades on Bitcoin, and what we can be doing in this market today. Before we get started guys, I would really appreciate it if you guys like this video, subscribe to my channel at Trader Neil, and as always, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. Bitcoin is on a tear like I said guys, so I'm going to be making videos quite often, and if you guys don't want to miss my regular updates, that's the way you catch up with me and stay up to date. Alright guys, so looking at Bitcoin here, I have went ahead and charted Bitcoin price action after the last two election cycles. And so looking at the 2016 election here guys, after the elections in the beginning of November of 2016, Bitcoin broke all-time highs from December 2013 on the weekly and ended up going on a 1500% run to its next all-time high in November of 2017, 1 year later. Do I think we get a 1500% run here? Probably not. And how would I know that? Well, diminishing returns definitely seems like it's on the table here, guys. Look at the 2020 elections here. When Bitcoin broke these previous all-time highs, it ran a nice 260% or so here. And so that is a pretty modest gain. And so looking at current elections guys and current Bitcoin price action, at the very least, I think that a 95 to 100% move here on BTC now that previous all-time highs are broken is not out of the question. Do I think we have a 260% move all the way to here at $260,000? Probably not. I think that 100k target, 144k even, is reasonable here on BTC. And honestly, looking at Bitcoin here guys, if this cycle is to repeat at least in some sort of magnitude, it would go to show that seeing a target like this on BTC at around 144k would be, in my opinion, one of the last times to really capitalize off of Bitcoin's large price gain here. If this continues to go on, there's going to be less and less returns here potentially after Bitcoin breaks all-time highs going forward. So I think it's important to bring a call to action to you guys to make sure you guys trade Bitcoin, hold Bitcoin, capitalize off these price appreciation moves, and definitely don't miss out. All right, and looking at Bitcoin as well on lower time frames here guys, I've got this lower time frame chart here on BTC. Bitcoin broke all-time highs early in the morning and has been ranging pretty much ever since. I went ahead and made this parallel channel guys with the lows here at 72.7 and the highs here at 75.6. And the idea here guys is I would be looking for trades on the extremes of this lower time frame range. So if you get something like this where Bitcoin comes up, takes our highs, potentially bearishly back tests that same high, you could get a nice short trade setup. And then likewise to the bottom side here, if you get a sweep of these lows here on Bitcoin or in a reclaim, that would be a nice long setup in my opinion as well. And so these are two areas to be currently watching on Bitcoin this morning. New York session is about to start, so in my opinion, being ready for these trades and having your alerts set and your charts open ready to take them, that's what's going to take you far, guys. Trying to chase things after they've already pumped or dumped is usually a recipe for disaster. So as long as you're ready, as long as you're on the charts, as long as you have things marked, you'll be fine. If you guys want to trade Bitcoin with me, I've got my Femex link in the description below. I'm an affiliate with them, and if you sign up with my link, you get a nice discount on maker and taker fees and up to $8,800 in welcome rewards. And lastly, guys, if you made it to the end of this video, I want you to put code phrase all-time high in the comment section below. Alright, guys, have a great rest of your day. Bitcoin at new all-time highs. Let's go. And I'll catch you guys for a new video very soon. Trader Neil signing out. Peace.